What's it that far was no serious my home and a payo bema.
My son would have
and somehow from my woman chain. Some more money, me and money, me and near me chair.
Who was there, Azigî? I'm telling you. Who will be? Number 50,000 Ghana cedis.
Eti week we no Oteele and was wajibi bia waje trend ni na but social media platform ni Oteele aja but Azigî abekonka obia ama we render apology Oteele abekasa ne wife es abekasa na Kwadwo Nkansah lewe so no abekasa afa Oteele Azigî na EP ni wasa abeka nsem bi ela kire Ghana for concerning the EP album ebeba abontre any movie a watu de ne a journey to Africa or the ebeba no mo ha no ask me host me break you bia down amwate ase no akire wadwen e de amame e comment section message say ni di mo obe mi subscribe button so down obe turn notification icon on for latest update aba kire wadwen de amame e comment section e ya no share amonu so enya bi ahwe no mekanfo NGWorks Limited e de amount all kinds of plumbing work o maybe o ma so ho no mo o mu tu swimming pool e de kan ho na o mu say tu nsuo sinso na ya time kwa na o mbedwa atu nsuo no e de amount o me solar panel installation o mu say power plant installation the onyanso be free NGWorks Limited na o me odwumadie no e de amount Ghana ha ba bia be free bia de o mo e be ba say to krom kra na o mbe wura o mo adwuma ho tepa na o mo services e very very affordable e don't need so na o be ba abedam. Now let's go to the sebusia o mo say o hwe internet ne so a now na ka Kwadwo Nkansah lewen and I did movie ever by one train an EP album or the one that's a movie and or they were launch that program no and I said that EP album no a movie or to a journey to Africa as that movie no will feature many superstars on the movie as a Jaco Eda Subi Majid Michel was so Emma Ghana had the stars baby now he has featured them on the movie as an or they ever by one train. Now what him say before that season now na DJ KA Azigî about one train. Kwadwo Nkansah lewen ebe kasa e kire mu se wasere nyamyam ne kure ni Ghana fo mu hu ni mobo wa boka aye movie a obe abe launch na EP album no say premier movie no mo fa bibia meje trend no mo go TikTok e ko ntokwa mo di Azigî ebe abontin no wasere mo fa bibia on 200 nanka from now to the time wa obe premier movie no e bibia wie de nka ono nko a enye trend ni mo so na onfanye ne bibia you know o wi a na ne mo be drop mo ne ma
Na deja emeta abonte me say adwuma wi. Tie babaka tie o. The movie hipre no e kan ma me company. Tika metua no me wi a meka ne nyina. Ano odin. Ti me sega na ni bia. Obi a hu hwie. Uye video ko atwe be ma emfa ka manto be ma no so. Tiranchen. An hwie me pacho enkoye emeta ne mekata. Ta baby bia na bia abobom. Yere be abobom. This year there.
Yes, Ramwa.
You to no bia ni. Mam no fo bia ni. Meso bia Azigî e ko da ba for one. Munya mu horu o. Mo ko shene shene mu wele. Ewe ya mo bobo se. Ska me mpese e be na kwakrampo no. Anya ntro. Ebesa e be ha madwuma. Me mpese akrampo. Dabi we mo e be ma so.
Kwadwo Nkansah be kan that as we did that in Komowe ni ti anya yi de no be di nkomwa na ade ache ya ana open so Azigî ebaye be kire Oteele Kumawood movie star baako na Azigî ebaye I say Oteele Azigî de busu anya se nkuma o 4 minutes 20 minutes length as wunya bi hwe ya ko Telegram o ko Telegram ya channel ya platform ya dia Penyah Blog Media na o search ya kan nyina album and the time Penyah Blog Media kan nyina album never one Penyah Blog Media one o search e Telegram o benya ya Telegram channel no na wa boss na say wa subscribe to channel no ubenya bibia Azigî bia drop here ubenya bi ahwe e wo ho no ho de e back to back ubenya bi ahwe ho eti so onya bi hwe ya ko Telegram na search Penyah Blog Media 1 na subscribe e wo Telegram ho no na ubenya bi ahwe na we have video no say ye hwe video no mu yi a ase atare a na ehye Oteele no eno ana on the 22nd of February 2026 Oko so Penyah no weapon prophet no weapon 190 bi eme ho no Oteele kwa asore ekoye worship kra wo ho
Obian Penyah and Sabaka say, Adekasia. Why? No weapon of you. Yeah, chance. Obi to you. Go and to Menyamesa. And you, Yamka. And Yamka, no, slow. Ramparo. Wadekasia. Run to us at the Cassia. Why? No weapon, yeah, chance. Me papa. Oh, yeah, me bayo. And you cano. Slow. Ampara. Wade Cassia. Say me fawasam no sie makoma enopayo bema me boy obi to me say me fawasam sie makoma bema me boy
Atalia na ehye no ewo that day na so dem ho no anwumre no sa atare kro na eya atare na ehye no a oni girl no Azigî video no mu no na ewo mu na se mo focus na Oteele no there bi o odi ka ko girl no ho wie ye ansa na anwumre no okọ asori anase okọ one night no e no okọ dai na de chi ya wo kọ fie no e no go fa girl no ho na say we ye question amanfo ni bi ebusa but the thing is say atare a Oteele eshede kwa asore prophet no weapon ason them on 22nd of February 2026 we mu no sa atare krona na Azigî mu na ehye no it could be say it has odinka ko video no e Oteele na video ye Oteele na set camera e na omo eye bibia wie ye e no asa ko kate no enye oba na video ye Oteele Nkansah e na video ye na se video be say abego Oteele ni mu ase others were wale kama one yerite asumdwe mu a omudi odo media no so ona yerite kama omo ma na se Oteele ekoye se na se de anu wase na aba etima oba no the wife no eba be kasai enra no no afno ba social media e de ensembe ebe to Ghana for na we ni se man wife no ekan
ensamanfo mo ma wo menche se mo ma ne me nkwatente ne anichie na mo mane maboafo na senkwa wo ma mema munyina ko tia enkuma basa Islam eni bi yes bia mo fani chebe aditi tru pa anti ame wo ha yese eni pani bia eni me enhwe mi ye nhye me nso adwe yo mo se video no eyemia debi Enyamia light kwa na esime so betime kale mensa menya kokko abusuafo bia enyame mugidie ede omoma emaame abusua bia enyame mugidie ede omonyanka plebe enipa bia omadwe yo se omo peso omoma ehwe mabla boso bobi mejuma efo tititru na meye service if is a way the media so ntimi ye sure say obata bia na ebusua bia ne bawo menche so bi nyanga safra me she me hubo se meye good mentor amenkwala no enkwala ni nti say ya obi kan okra no na wo mu aya wo hwe okasa yi dada wo hwe wana muntu empofie kra yetimu no say entokwa kra na aba na menimi kunku a because of enkwala nti asem bi wo ha ya kra na 1 minute said ye be ya kwala na wo tete no enhunu oyaw me pamacho abatan amode mo mama enko ma besere ma obi e mani gidie wo mimu enkofom meye good mentor amenkwala ma obi e me fane janka bi enfenfiri menche na me don kwala no me se Nyankopɔn sɛ ɔbɛma me ahoɔden ɛsɛ fata ɛne mmoa a metumi de ahwɛ nkwala no na me nkwala no duru sɛdeɛ me kra ɛhwehwɛ no me mani nyinaa I'm very disappointed. Meaning, say, you rain and the shit, but the Yame pay and away. Voice of Oteele son. Yes, you rain the bush, I'm in the shell. Miss Yankopon say, what it true? And I wouldn't be a monkey to an show a blabber swabble be into Yankopon show with them. Mesra mumu butu so ya no makai me mpaibo. Eche se de oyere pa bia be ye de aye. Enchen kanfo ne ho bet. De se nipa ye na maye.
Ama Oteele so ne busa nra. Oteele ntimant na ono so eba TikTok live. Na ho no it was very that unqualified apology. Ka Ghana for the Ghana for M1 na ye mpa na yere achew.
Bra, man shan mo dia mewu. Why? Mane how? Ma obi o di ori matem ya ja no ni matem. Unya bone da to bobo me. Ma ori matem ya ni matem. Ana hwe. Me ama shan ho dia, me no modro. Ti say me. Hey. There are some notes in the same I would do my terms. And then I BBC, Uni anime, Summit. Oh, Kwame. I'm sure about it. Kwame. See, I need 4.1K. The Nipa had not telling him go see. So, and then never anywhere go as a chime in the go as Somewhere seen me home adolf one matamfo. The said I got the show trim me say no one is perfect. No na me the aba china so the aba. To be asamba suka. Was so life e kai ro ho akasa e ka. So na life na was so na we ro ho akasa na udi matama ho ka de fa any ho de home de fa me ho. Aso be na be ga. I was a mo atay, mo nyatay. Study more financial. Be a moment any problem. They also the back and the only pana who you might do my time. And I when I want to come bonnie I heard that. Can't catch up. Kingdom Namisham. We can see him in the same. A campaign for LinkedIn near to a family lecture. And that's cool. I Anders.
Any Ghana for you as you who want to emfa ne boni bi awon ye bia emfa nche no na Kwadwo Nkansah sa be kasa on se Kwadwo edika be ma won se obi a Azigî bia no ana obi apese no bi konto kwa bia no ka won twen na owie ne movie na nko de aba emu a na kire se Oteele so Azigî epie no dikoye kire se na ono uni a Azigî bia no so Azigî wo fon so a fabra ne ototo Azigî fabra be hu no obetua ka 50,000 cedis 500 million beji sika na fa Azigî ni nyina ama no o premier no movie ni wi a no no agasa agya agum nya sa na o be mistake e go ja Azigî bi atuma wo ni wanya asew
who star bi Azigî a I'm telling you who be mema 50,000 Ghana cedis
On family.
on family
And release it.
and family who star bi Azigî a family 50,000 500 million 50,000 oh celebrate oba Azigî a 100,000 family
Why get so release it?
and release it family pacho Mr. Me to go send be ya next month e journey to Africa no bibia mesel Mr. mu afei wo shiranya star bia sa e bi se bia mi nua ke e bia yi we minister yes we minister what type of ke ni bia 20,000 it's okay well who let it free we for so na maje ana e bia type of that type no so ko so that type no bi ko so 80,000 80,000
Small people like
obi o bi da
that type. Now small people type.
That small people type. Oh, Azigî Honoma, Mr. Enrelease, MSM, Mr. 80,000 to 800 million. 80,000. And we say, ever start trying to go be a bit that. Especially that for you for the
I make a small money on the bed 200,000.
80. So we're doing free. So, free.
I say, what do you compare?
Free, just say, Mina made to say, Emma training, yes. And I'm going to go. Also, now, I comfort your honor. I comfort 40,000.
Not tell it.
Why did they find that?
Obi say, yeah, I don't tell you. Comfort Azigî but Tomami.
Comfort Bana Bema.
Oh, comfort Bao Bemo. Oh, Azigî and Fama 40,000. Mr. Naminton Fanto. Oh, I saw for Azigî. I saw for no. Modino. Oh, Azigî, Mr. And Fantom and MSM Juma. But Tomami 150,000.
1.5 billion.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Was who is it? Answer yes. 150,000. Answer you need answer. I don't there's a new never. Oh, we may cast some to one of my pen and 7 young for some go fast minim. Oh, I mean, colleague. I'll be a Juma, a mammy. Oh, Oteele. I have a jump with your mammy. Now, Obia said that I had yet. Oh, Obia said I had yet. I don't know what force who is there. There's any part of Aberdeen or Quentin. I found out neighbor.
Tell me about
now, when you men say, I said, I know, it's a winner who was listening to one. It's in my phone. I know, almost said, I don't know, baby. I'm telling you. And the sada. Was celebrating on Azigî about. I'm telling you. And I know, and I'm a bunny. Another part. Yes. And now, Miss Winner will say, compare. What's that?
I na be Africa.
I'm Africa, I'm where crap. Because
I was yeah. Let's say the acquisition, but story in there. To me, there, either say Oteele, or scene now, because on again moving on again no as again a daytime. And yana dragon say be pounds on any daytime. It either say or call again one ko ye eno we anwumre okwa sorry. And I say okwa night no, and I say watch night no. Omuwie ye na ade achi ya okofie. Ana wa nkofie as otofa the side chick ho a side chick gra e wo ba ebi mo alege say side chick ne ba kra de say e Oteele e na awo nchen ya ne wife edim. We yan koma amanfo bi edi no the other face of social media. I say ebi mo edi no ho do say kra no. The wife ebe komina say oba na ono ko yes akwa asem wie no. Akoda na oba mu no. Akoda no kra Oteele ba. Sada ebi mo eka. What is your take on this issue? Wait until I will comment section. I Penyah Block Media.